Friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about how to on do not disturb in our Infinix phone. Guys, you want to on your do not disturb mode setting in your Infinix phone, so friends you can on it. And guys, now let's see how to on do not disturb in our Infinix phone. In this video guys, I will show you guys. So before starting video guys, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So when first of all guys, we will on our phone setting to on do not disturb. Then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see sound and vibration setting. Guys, tap here and guys scroll it. Friends, you can see your do not disturb setting. Friends, tap here. So friends, you want to on a do not disturb. Friends, you can on from here. So do not disturb mode will on guys. After that guys, you cannot listen guys your alarm volume and notification will like your phone volume guys. Alarm and phone volume guys, you cannot see listen in your Infinix phone. After on do not disturb mode. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.